Hi friends, today we are going to unpack HMD 105 keypad phone. I got it from Amazon for 1000 rupees. So it's just a plain and simple feature phone which has built-in UPI app. The battery lasts really long, that's what they have said, and it has wireless FM radio. It comes in three colors: purple, black and blue. So I got a blue one. Now let's open the box and see what's there inside. The phone looks beautiful. The color is very eye-catching, and its operating system is S30 Plus. It supports memory card of 32 GB. Packaging is good. It's essentially a Nokia. Yeah, this is the phone. The phone looks good. The charger and the user manual. This device, I think, will be just perfect for someone who intends to digitally detox, for digital detox. Suppose someone is addicted to use of smartphones and online social media, then this phone is perfect for that person to get over that addiction, because it's a simple phone which can be used for calls and for UPI payments through the app, the inbuilt app, and also to listen to wireless radio. The charger, unfortunately, is not USB-C type but a micro USB type. This is the battery, the removable battery. The battery is supposed to last long, around 7 days. But then I don't know whether spare batteries are available. It's not available in the HMD website. It's not a part of accessories. Maybe in their service center it would be available. I don't know that. For 1000 rupees, the phone looks premium. The feel is also good. It has got a sort of a matte finish with grooves, but all the same it looks shiny. The plastic back, I removed the back. Two SIM cards can be installed. It's dual SIM and a memory card. So now I am installing the battery. The battery is installed and the back panel is back in its place. Oh, the alignment was wrong. Yeah, this is the right way to fix it. Removing the battery and fixing it again is child's play. Anybody can do that. I just love the comfort and ease of using these phones, keypad feature phones. These phones come with an old world charm, and then there is also a sort of elegance in them. The elegance that comes from simplicity. Things are not complicated. You can yourself remove the battery and install it For battery removal and installation, you need not go to the service center. I just switched on the phone. The HMD logo is displayed on the screen. Yeah, the phone is switched on. The language choice, I need to choose a language. It supports many Indian languages, all the major Indian languages. So it can be easily used by someone who doesn't know Hindi or English. These are the different widgets, the menu options, the torch. Yes, it comes with a torch. Yeah, the torch is quite powerful. In darkness, it will definitely serve its purpose. So these are the different menu options, and then the game Snake, which comes inbuilt. I love this game. This is the payment option, the online payment option. For that, I need to connect it with an online UPI app. Presently, I'm not doing that. Once it's connected, then it will start working. So this is how the phone looks. The keypads, the buttons in the keypad feels good. It's a very simple phone. For 1000 rupees, it's worth the money. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.